So it seems Mark Gurman nowadays is just repeating stuff he's already said, and because there's nothing else in the news, I have no choice but to cover this pretty boring report, and that's regarding AirPods Pro 2 launching in 2022, which should not be a surprise to anyone. And so I guess let's delve into my predictions for the specific release date, as well as the features, the price, and so much more. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just suck in. Right, so the supposed new information in this report is literally regarding AirPods Pro 2 launching in 2022, which Mark Gurman has said in the past, and so it's not really that new. But anyways, I guess Mark Gurman reiterating this means that yes, we can be sure AirPods Pro 2 are launching in 2022, not 2021. And the main reason behind this is because I don't think Apple wants to release AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro 2 together, because obviously AirPods Pro 2 are going to take the spotlight away from AirPods 3, and so I think Apple's better off releasing these separately and giving enough space between both releases, and so AirPods 3 come first, they generate some hype, and then once the hype dies out for them, release AirPods Pro 2. Now regarding a specific release timeframe, we have no information, but if I were to predict, I think we'll see AirPods Pro 2 launch alongside the iPhone 14 series, because obviously AirPods are a key accessory to the iPhone, and so much like we're seeing AirPods 3 launch alongside the iPhone 13 series, I could see Apple doing the same with AirPods Pro 2 and the iPhone 14. I mean, I can definitely see a ton of people saying that, hey, I'm buying the iPhone 14, why not buy the new AirPods alongside it? And voila, Timothy makes a lot more money. So yes, I think launching AirPods alongside the iPhone does make sense. Though of course do remember that Apple many times in the past has announced AirPods randomly via press releases. For example, the original AirPods Pro were announced randomly on a Wednesday, so I could see Apple doing the same with AirPods Pro 2 and launching them sometime in 2022. So it's pretty hard to accurately predict a specific release time frame for AirPods Pro 2. Anyways, moving on to the design with AirPods Pro 2, we have the new design to look forward to, because this might be the biggest design change to AirPods yet. Because the infamous stem we've seen since the original AirPods are apparently disappearing with AirPods Pro 2, because Apple allegedly is giving us a stemless design that's more in line with the Galaxy Buds and Pixel Buds from Samsung and Google respectively. Now this could be a pretty interesting change because the stem helps AirPods stand out, and Apple loves that as a company. They want their products to be instantly recognizable, and so a stemless design is kind of moving backwards because AirPods Pro 2 are going to blend in with the competition, and there no longer will be this unique design with AirPods Pro. Also, do remember the stem on AirPods Pro serves a function. You control all your media through the Force Touch sensors built into the stem, and I've heard that this is a much better system than what's available with the competition. And so again, if Apple goes for a stemless design with AirPods Pro 2, that means Apple could be ditching one of the best parts of the current AirPods Pro, and that could be a massive bummer for many users. But of course, there are also advantages to going stemless. For example, you have a better fit and a better seal that could improve the ANC and the audio quality with AirPods Pro. And so yes, I guess there are pros and cons to the new design, but there is one thing to note, and that is Mark Gurman did say that Apple's engineers were finding it difficult to pack the technology needed for AirPods Pro in the new design, and so that could explain why there's been a delay with the release, but also it's possible the final design might be less ambitious, and we do see the stem stick around with AirPods Pro 2. And well, that's all we know about AirPods Pro 2, though of course we can guess we're going to get better battery life, better audio quality, possibly even better ANC and transparency modes, and fingers crossed Apple keeps the price at $249. Anyways, tell me in the comments below, are you going to buy these new versions of AirPods Pro? Anyways, thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the icon above on details regarding the M1X MacBook Pro, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.